Hi guys, this is Kudo, and today in this video I will show you how you can make an object rotate on an axis, on a defined axis. So let's get started. So first thing first, we need to create a script. So let's create a C# script and let's call it rotate game object. All right. Okay, and now open the script. So now the script is open. What I want to have is a serialize field. So let's create a serialize field. Let's call it private um, my vector3 vector3 sorry, so private, we want a vector3, sorry, so a vector3, and we call it my vector3. And in the update function, I will say GameObject dot transform dot uh, rotation, I guess. Not rotate, sorry. Yeah, rotate. And uh, what does the rotate does? So basically, it's apply rotation or Euler angle on an axis you choose. So let's say rotate, and we need to put in parameter an axis when the game will turn around. So let me explain you with a quick draw. So let's take back our function. So we create game object. So game object dot transform dot rotate, and this need to take a parameter. So as I was saying, this parameter should be you need to put here an axis, so maybe a vector3. So let's say we want to put 0 0 1. So if we do that, let's create a cube. So I will try to create a 3D cube as I can. So again, sorry, I'm not a good drawer. So let's say, all right, okay. Oh, yep. All right, something like that. Sorry. And so let's recreate our axis. So I just show you. So the axis is working like that. So we got the y-axis on the green. So y. After we got the so y. After we got the x axis on the red, and the blue one will be the z-axis. All right. All right. So because we put a vector3 on 0, 0, 1, so if I take again my axis and I apply it to my cube, what I'm gonna do, so I will recreate it. So on my cube, the y-axis will be here. So just I just keep the color because I don't have any place. So the y-axis will be that way, the x-axis will be this way, and the z-axis will be that way. So what does it mean when when I put GameObject.transform.rotate on, for example, new vector3? So let's say new vector3 of 0, 0, 1. I will ask to take my cube, so this cube will be turning around the z-axis. So basically, let's go back to Unity and let's see how this thing will work. So we back to Unity, and in the script, I add the vector3 forward and I had speed by 10. And what I'm gonna do here, I will just drag and drop my component here, and let's say I hit play, and as you can see, the y-axis is on green, the x-axis will be on the red, and the z-axis on the blue. So how I was explaining it on the draw, the cube should basically spin like this because we are rotating around the z-axis. So let's try it. So just reset it and let's try it and hit play and you will see what I was talking about. And there we go, guys. So this is one way to use a rotate and how you can make a game object rotate. So just to finish this first part, so because I use my vector 3, I will put my vector 3 not forward because it it's just useless if I just create a vector 3 and I don't use it. So let's go back to Unity, and because it's serious, so let's say I want to put one and I will have the same value. So if I hit play right now, all right, you can see it's turning around the z-axis. And same as if I put like not zero on, if I put one on the x axis, so the cube will be turning like this, so on the x-axis. So let's try it and let's hit play. So as you can see, it's turning around the z-axis, the x-axis. So that's it for the basics. So if you guys enjoy the content, just thumb up, subscribe. It will be very nice. If you guys want to go further, I will release another video next time. And because I will release this video because just to let you know, if I got a multiple choice, multiple game object, I don't want to, if I got a lot of cube, I want to be able to customize our rotation. So I see you guys on the other video if you want. If you don't, just subscribe, comment, and like. It will be very nice and much appreciated. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.